In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Twilio phone number. Whether you're setting up a new service or just need to access your existing information, finding your Twilio phone number is a straightforward process that we'll walk through step by step. To begin, you'll first need to log in to your Twilio account using your preferred web browser by going to console.twilio.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials, which will take you straight into the Twilio console. This is your main hub, where all configuration and monitoring activities take place. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar of the console interface. If some options seem out of view, locate the icon to expand the menu. This icon allows you to view the full array of navigational options available within your Twilio account. Having a clear view of all menu items will make managing your account and finding specific features much easier. After expanding the menu, direct your attention to the phone numbers section. The key here is to follow the path. Phone numbers, then manage, and finally, active numbers. By navigating through these options, you'll reach a page that lists all the active phone numbers currently associated with your Twilio account. This section is crucial because it gives you an overview of all the communications assets at your disposal. Now, once you're on the active numbers page, you'll see a list displaying each Twilio phone number linked to your account. This page is not only useful for identifying numbers, but is also packed with additional information about each number. By clicking on any number in the list, you'll gain access to that number's detailed information. Here, you can view the number's capabilities, such as voice, SMS, or fax. In addition, you'll find webhook settings and other specifications that may be configured for that particular number. It's always a good practice to familiarize yourself with the in-depth settings available for each number, especially if you're leveraging multiple numbers for diverse functions within your business or application. Understanding these details will allow you to maximize your service's configurability and ensure it meets your exact needs. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully navigated to find your Twilio phone numbers. By following these steps, you can repeat the process anytime you need to access your phone number information for updates or troubleshooting. We hope this video has made the process clear and simple for you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more insights into managing your Twilio account effectively.